Can you give the Islamic ruling on a person who consults astrology charts or horoscopes on a daily basis or weekly basis or at all?
As far as astrology and fortune telling is concerned, nowadays it's very common in the world that we have in the newspapers, people speak about stars, about Capricorn and Libra and various signs, and we find that many people believe in it. If anyone believes in the stars and the signs, fortune telling astrology, it's as good as shirk. It's called as mushrik. And a person who reads for entertainment, many times it comes in the paper and we just glance for entertainment, then he is a sinner yet. Because the beloved Prophet Muhammad said, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 2, hadith number 1038, Muhammad after offering Fajr Salah, he turns around and he says that Allah says that some of the people, they are believers in me and some are disbelievers in me. Those who believe that it rained because of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they believe in me and they disbelieve in the star. And those who believe that it rained because of the star, they believe in the star and they disbelieve in me. It's further mentioned in Musnad Ahmad, volume number 2, hadith number 9536. The beloved Prophet Muhammad said that if a person goes to a fortune teller and a soothsayer and believes in him, he has disbelieved in Muhammad, he has disbelieved in me. And it's further mentioned in Sahih Muslim, volume number 4, hadith number 5540. Beloved Prophet Muhammad said that anyone who goes to a diviner, that's Araf, and believes in him, his prayer will not be accepted for 40 nights. So therefore, fortune telling and astrology are condemned in the Quran. Allah says in Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 90, Ya ayyuhallazina amanu, O you believe, innamal khamru wal maisuru, most certainly intoxicants and gambling, wal ansabu wal azlamu, dedication of stones, divination of arrows, rushtu min amali shaitan, these are Satan's handiwork. Fashtanibu lallukum tuflihun. Abstain from it that you may prosper. So fortune telling is a Satan's handiwork. You have to abstain from it so that we can prosper.